I fold this Fact Family book. You can find it on my Teachers Pay Teachers store. The link is in the bottom. But the way I do the cover page is I fold it in half. You've got a dotted line there to help you kind of see where to fold it, okay? And then I fold the other pages. It's better if you do them one at a time. And I put them inside. These are not numbered, so you can have your kids number them. You can number them before you print them out and make copies. And then you can have the kids put these books together. They're pretty easy for them to do. I've done it with second graders. I'm not sure about first graders. Okay, and then I take my pages, stack them up like this. Open ends on the inside, folded edge on the outside. Okay, put them on the inside, and then I just put 2 staples along the edge here. And that is how I put together this type of book. Check out this other video and I'll show you another way to put together books without staples. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Make it fun for your kids. Happy teaching!